Tiki, come. What are you doing? Can you just stay in your cage just for a little bit? Can you stay in your cage just for a little bit? Okay? You're all over the place. No, you're staying in the cage. All right? Are you okay if you stay in the cage just for a couple minutes? Yes? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to leave you on the cage just for a couple minutes. All right? Yes? Can you stay there? All right. So we're going to have some peace and quiet just for a little bit. All right? Okay? Yes? Okay. So I'm going to leave you now just for a little bit. All right? Just for a little bit. Do you mind? That is my breakfast taco. That is not yours. Absolutely not. That's not. Stop eating my eggs. There's your food right there. Seeds. Not my breakfast taco. Seeds. Hey. Hey. No, that's mine. No. No. Absolutely. No more. No. Go over there. No. 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 Okay, Tiki. What are you doing? Look at me. Hey. Look at me. Are you gonna, hey, come here. Are you gonna let me do some work today? Are you gonna let me do some work? Yes? You are? You are gonna let me do some work. Is that a yes? Okay. What are you doing? What are you guys doing on our baggage? What are you guys doing? That is my suitcase. That's mine. You want to put it back in the box? Okay, go to sleep. Right here, see, everything's okay. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. See, everything's... Go to sleep.